Hi everybody, welcome back to One Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can check who I liked on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. So in here, to like someone, you can just go ahead and swipe it to the left side, and to dislike someone, you can just go ahead and swipe it to right side. So let me tell you guys that we are not able to see whom we liked on Tinder. This feature or this function is not available on Tinder. Tinder has not yet updated this version or this feature. We are not able to see whom we liked on Tinder, but what we can do is rewind this feature. So to do that, go ahead and tap on that arrow sign. So to rewind it, we need the subscription of Tinder. We'll have to purchase 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. How much months do you want to subscribe for the premium of Tinder? You can just go ahead and subscribe it and just rewind whom you liked on Tinder. So this is the only working method, guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.